Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris. This is Building BMWs, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. Yeah, today's video is going to be a little bit different because I bought a Mazda.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.
You're listening to Redneck.
Okay, so last time I talked to you guys, I was showing you the RX8. Didn't really do too much, and I didn't really explain anything or anything like that. The video's not even done. I didn't even put the video out, really. So this is probably going to be in the same video. But, since you guys have seen me, I've done a lot of stuff. I've tore the whole car down. I have the front subframe fully off. The car's fully on jack stands. I've stripped the whole bay so that I can get ready to paint the bay. And I'm stripping the subframe so I can paint the subframe. And that's really been it. I mean, I'm going to walk you guys around and show you what I've done so far. But this is about 3 weeks after the first clip that you guys saw. So, okay, so where I left off at, I was showing you guys the car. And this is basically what it looks like right now. Yeah, I don't feel like taking the cover off, but the whole front subframe's off. The whole front subframe is off. It's clear, the whole engine bay is cleared out. I gotta find out how to take off the brake booster. So if anybody has any ideas on how to do that, or if anyone knows how to do it, leave it down in the comments. But I need to take off the brake booster. Now going into the house, I got both knuckles off, all the control arms. It was a pain in the ass getting these off. Like the control arm bolts, all these, or I don't know what this is. I believe it's a lower control arm. I'm not sure. I know this is like an upper, but these bolts, I had to cut each one of those off, and it was a pain because I didn't have my grinder until maybe a couple days ago. So at first I tried to do everything without cutting it, and then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna cut it. But on to this, we got all the tires off the Mazda. Have the whole front subframe. I've done a little bit of like wire wheeling and grinding in some areas where there was a lot of rust. I'm gonna primer this down and maybe use some like steel it black or something, and then get all new suspension parts, bolt this all the way up, and that'll be good to go. But okay, the biggest part about the rx8 project is that we're not going to be keeping the rotary, which you guys already know by the title of the video. But here I am. I'm unveiling the big motor. No, it's not an LS. No, it's not a BMW motor, which sucks. But I was thinking about getting an M54 for it, but no one really makes a what's it called? No one makes a adapter plate for the M54. So I was like, you know what? Let's grab a K series. No, but really, you got a K24 from Out of an Odyssey. It's an A1. Okay, here it is. I looked all over the place, but see if you guys can see that. You really can't, but darken the image. Well, you can't see it, but K24A1. Yeah, so there you go. K24. We're gonna go single turbo, Type S oil pump. Probably put some cams in it. Probably not right away, but we're gonna throw some cams in it. Try to rev out to like 8,500, 8,000, 8,500 for real, and it should be a beast. Maybe like 300 to 400 horsepower, but yeah, it's gonna be a beast of a car, and it's not gonna be my car. It's gonna be my girl's car. So yeah, I wanted something nice and reliable, I guess. So we're gonna build her this and see how it goes. And another thing, sorry I already tore the engine down. I didn't like really show anything, but I've kind of been on this like bender of just doing everything. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next update I have. There really shouldn't be any updates until, I guess I'll show you guys the chassis, all the modifications we got to do to the chassis to get it to work. But other than that, it really shouldn't be any updates until we're trying to get the engine in the car and all the other good stuff. And like I said, we're painting the subframe, painting the engine bay. We got the valve cover already. We got the valve cover right here, all ready to go to get painted. So we're gonna see. Let's just see how it goes. This is not going to take away from. Well, actually, okay. You guys gotta level with me real quick. So I know this is a BMW channel, but I did think this would be a cool car to have on the channel because there's a couple people that have done this, but it's not a lot of people who do it, and another person documenting it wouldn't hurt anyone. But basically, one more person showing their journey to making this work will benefit a lot more people than if I don't, just because I'm a BMW channel. If you guys get what I mean. So yeah, I definitely want to throw this in the car, see how it goes. We have a direct bolt-on applications, and it should be good to go. Just got to figure out a lot of wiring and stuff, but other than that, it should be sick. And don't worry, the E46 video is coming out pretty soon. If it hasn't already come out, I don't know how these videos are going to come out, but because I have all of them in my editor right now, so who knows what's going to happen. I have another video for the E34 and another video. I have like 2 videos worth of stuff for the E46. I just, you know, sometimes you film stuff and you don't feel like you have enough, but I'm going to start putting more videos out because a lot of people actually are, I'm getting some good feedback, so I think I should at least try to put a little bit more effort into it than I already am, because, you know, got to be doing something right if I'm getting good feedback. So thank you guys.